face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.
Yeah, hello guys, welcome back to the channel again. In this video just discovered a website which pays you to do short surveys, watch TV, complete offers, and also download apps. And you can also earn more by referring your friends and staffs. This website is legit and it's paying. It has been paying since and it's still paying. So if you are new to this channel and you are interested in making money online and learn as well, then kindly hit on the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any video that I come out with concerning how to make money online and learn as well. So the name of the application that I'm talking about is called Grabpoints. Please watch this video till the end so that you don't miss any important step. Because like I said, the name of it is called Grabpoints. So free gift cards for watching TV, answer surveys, complete offers, and downloading applications. So if you're new, all you have to do is sign up. You put in your email here, then your password, you confirm it, then you hit on sign up. And you can also sign up with your Facebook account, which is really cool. How it works: advertisers pay Grabpoints for engagement, and we recruit members like you. You do online activities, watching videos, taking surveys, completing offers, downloading apps, and more. Then after that, you earn free gift cards for PayPal cash. They do not pay only for PayPal, but gift cards like Steam, Fortnite, Google Play, PlayStation Store, Amazon, and many more. You can see all rewards. They also have Skrill, and here are some of the testimonials. I love Grabpoints. Have a lot of ways to earn money. They pay awards very quickly, and yeah, nice to get paid for work done on time. So these are some testimonials of members using Grabpoints. So Grabpoints is real, and I urge everyone watching this video to try it out. So let's sign up or log in to see how it goes. So actually this is a new account, so if you sign up, this is how it's going to look like. So you sign up and you confirm your email account, then you get 50 points. As you can see here, 50 points. Just sign up and I've been credited with 50 points. So as you can see, here are some offers. So you see the top users also. So here are also some offers that you can do to earn more. So see, paid service. If you click here, it will take us to paid service. If you click here, it will take us to watch videos. Then we earn and do offers, reward store, refer friends, and earn more. So actually I will leave the link under the description, so make sure you check it out and take action. So and the payment, the minimum payout is $3, which is 3,000 points. Yeah, that is 3,000 points, equal to $3, and it takes only 24 to 72 hours to get payment. Sometimes you get it the same day, sometimes it takes 24 hours, and sometimes 72. So they pay really quickly and faster. Their payment is really good, and you get paid as soon as you request for payout. So this is Grabpoints. It's legit and it's really amazing app. You do surveys and a lot of stuffs. So guys, this is what I have for you today. As I said, I would be uploading content every day, as I said in the previous video. So guys, if you loved this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you like my videos, it motivates me to do more. So this is what I have for you. As I said, if you loved it, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. But if you're new to this channel, interested in making money online and learn as well, then kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any video that I upload concerning how to make money online and learn as well. Hope to see you next time in the next video. Bye.
Face, tell me that you love me.